Ever feel like no matter how hard you try, you just can't focus while studying? You sit down with your books, and 5 minutes later, you are scrolling through your phone. What if I tell you there is a simple yet powerful trick to boost your concentration and make studying easier? It's called the Pomodoro Technique, and today I'm going to show you how it works. The Pomodoro Technique was developed by Francesco Cirillo in the 1980s. The word Pomodoro actually means tomato in Italian, inspired by the tomato-shaped kitchen timer he used while studying. But don't worry, you don't need a tomato to make this work. This method is incredibly simple. Here's how you do it. Pick a task you want to work on. Now set a timer for 25 minutes and focus only on that task. Now when the timer rings, take a 5-minute break. Stretch, grab water, or just relax. Repeat this cycle 4 times and then take a longer break for 15 to 30 minutes. So why this technique so effective? Because it beats procrastination, like knowing you only have to focus for 25 minutes make it easier to start. Then it focuses, like short study session keep your brain engaged. It reduces burnout. Frequent breaks prevent mental exhaustion. And last but not least, it boosts motivation. Seeing your progress in small bursts makes studying more rewarding. Want to take it to the next level? Here are some quick tips. Want to take it to the next level? Here are some quick tips. Use apps like Forest, Pomodoro, or Focus Booster to track your sessions. Turn off distractions. Put your phone on Do Not Disturb mode or use the airplane mode trick. Turn off distraction. Adjust the timer if needed. Some people focuses better with 50-minute sessions and 10-minute breaks. Adjust the timer if needed. Some people focuses better with 50 minutes. So the next time you struggle to stay focused, give the Pomodoro technique a try. Have you tried this method before? Let me know in the comment section. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more awesome study tips. See you in the next video. Bye bye.